Hi, I'm Pat McGrew. Welcome back to another episode of Print Sample TV. This time around, we're going to be talking about something that's near and dear to my heart. I love digital enhancement. I think that it makes print just jump out and touch you and gives that evocative feeling. So this time we're going to be talking about digital enhancement from our friends from ABG. Now, ABG has this really neat concept, but what I really want to point out is how they tell you about it. So in their case, they sent me this really nice flex pack envelope, which tells you exactly what it is on the cover. And then inside the flex pack envelope, we'll do a little unboxing here. The flex pack envelope contains all of their samples. Now, the nice thing about what ABG did is they not only sent me a book that shows some of the power of the equipment that they have, and it's what you would expect in digital enhancement, but then they sent all these really great samples. So the thing about digital embellishment is it doesn't happen on its own. There's actually setup to it. You have to have designed to use it, and you need to be creating files that the device is going to be able to handle. And if you do that, if you do your homework, you do your work with your designer, you can create things that are really pretty spectacular. And they can be really amazing things that show everything from texture to brilliant colors. And in this case, they actually have some printed circuitry here. But the other thing is that they can also be what I'd almost call more standard, where it's a really nice background with just a little bit of embossing, just enough to call out what the product is doing. And the cool thing about ABG is, if you can see here, they can actually print on an awful lot of substrates, including some of these more transparent substrates that are coming into the market today. So if you are considering digital enhancement, this is a technology you want to look at. The folks at ABG have, I think, done a really brilliant job of putting together a sample kit that I think you should share with your designers. It's not just your own team, but everyone that you work with, and then share it with your customers to show them what's possible. That's how you build demand for things like digital enhancement. Show them things like this, which actually show all the different text options, how small they can actually go with their enhancement. I like the technology from ABG. You can find them really easily on the web. Go take a look at them. For Print Sample TV, I'm Pat McGrew.